am Murugesan. Now I am going to hand into the business maths for 12th standard. Now you are in 12th standard, so you have to listen the classes very carefully. Be safe at home. Obey your parents' instructions. I am going to start with a motivation line for you. Sometimes later becomes never, so do it now. The postponing is very bad habit. For that motivation line is sometimes later becomes never, so do it now. Chapter 1 is application of matrices and determinants. You are familiar with the matrices and determinants because you have learned it already in 11th standard. Matrices means arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. You know that rows are horizontal lines, vertical lines are called columns. Now we are going to coin the new word rank of a matrix. Before that, determinants, you know that matrices cannot be reduced to a single value, but determinants can be reduced to a single value. Now we are going to learn a new word, that is a rank of a matrix. In Tamil they are called Tharam. That for every matrix, that is with each matrix, we can associate a non-negative integer called its rank. What is the definition? A positive integer R is said to be the rank of non-zero matrix if there is at least one minor of A of order which is not zero. At least one of the minor will not becomes vanishes. If other minors of a order, that is every minor of A of order greater than R is 0. That we should know that letter rank of a matrix is denoted by rank of A, that is row A. It's a Greek letter, row A. Like that P you have to put and A, rank A. Rank of matrix is denoted by rank A. Kindly note that 5 notes for you. Rank of A is always greater than or equal to 0. If a matrix of order m by n, then rank of A is equal to minimum of m and n. M means rows, n is column. Which one is minimum? That must be rank of A is less than or equal to. You have to read rank of A is less than. If you put greater than sign means greater than, that is less than. You should always careful that rank of A is less than minimum of m and n. Which one is minimum? For example, 3 by 4 means minimum is 3. 4 by 3 means 3 is minimum. The rank of null matrix is 0. For only null matrix only, we have get the rank 0. For other matrix, we can get at least non-negative integer. For example, non-singular matrix. What is a non-singular matrix? When the determinant value is 0, then it is called singular. The non-singular means the matrix determinant value is not 0. The rank of non-singular matrix of order n by n is n. Another point is, that is not in a textbook. This is one more question for you. The rank of unit matrix are called identity matrix. You know that identity matrix. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 by 2 matrix. 3 by 3 means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 3 by 3. That is identity matrix of order n by n is 3. For identity matrix I3 means 3. I2 means 2. So kindly go through this. It is already, everything is in your textbook. Keep on your textbook with you and learn this one. Next we are going for, now we will see that sums according to how to find the rank. For exercise, exercise 1.1, I am write the first term letter, first sum. Find the rank of the matrix 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 by 2 matrix. You know that 2 rows, 2 column. So given that named as any letter, normally we will put A. Let A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. What is order of A here? 2 by 2. What is the minimum value? 2 by 2 is, minimum value is 2. Therefore rank of A is less than or equal to 2. We have to find the determinant value. What is the determinant value? 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to put the symbol. You should, instead of bracket, you have to put a bar, modulus like that. You have to find the value like that. You have to go down and up. 5 8s are 40 minus, well, coming down, no energy will be wasted. So you have to put a plus sign. 5 8s are 40. While claiming, we are wasting our energy. So multiply this. 6 7s are or 7 6 are. Because multiplication is commutative. You are aware of that. 5 8s are 40. 6 7s are 42. Here signs are different. So 40 minus 42 minus 2 not equal to 0. So here R of 2 is not vanishes. Here the minor of order 2 is not 0. Therefore rank is 2. Next we will go for third sum. Second sum is you can do it as a homework. In your refer your classwork, refer your book, and you will find that second sum is homework for you. I am going for third sum. What is that matrix? Same 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 4, 2, 8. We should give the name. Let A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 8. What is R of the matrix? Yes, same 2 by 2 because 2 rows, 2 columns. We have to find the determinant value. So rank of how will find the determinant value? You have to put the vertical bar 1, 4, 2, 8. Again 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 0. So rank of A won't be 2. Rank of A won't be 2 because it vanishes. So order of 2 is rank is won't be 2. Instead of that, we have to see these matrices elements. They are all non-zero elements. Therefore, here we are considering the first order of minor. First element is 1, that is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank A is 1. That's all. That is for 2 by 2 matrix. Next, we will go for 3 by 3 matrix as like is. We will do it. Yes. We will go for exercise 1.1, fourth sum. The 3 by 3 matrix, how we will find the rank? So given matrix is named as A. Let A is equal to what is given, you have to write it. Clear? Now what is order of A? You know that because 3 rows, 3 columns. So order of the matrix is 3 by 3. So rank of A is minimum of this number. Minimum number is 3. Now we have to find the value of the determinant. How will you find the determinant? You have to put modulus like that. You have to put as vertical lines. Matrix symbol should be eliminated and put vertical lines. You have to find the determinant value. How will you find? First you have to write it. You have to write the element 2 and then write the minor of these 2. What is the minor of 2? You have to leave this row and the column. What is the remaining? 1 minus 5, 1, 1. Like that. Next one is minus sign will come because you know that. How will find cofactors? You know that already. Capital A11 means 1 plus 1, 2 even. Even means plus. Next element is A12. 1, 2 means 3 odd. So you have to put minus. Already one minus is there. So minus by minus plus will come. Then you have to leave this row and column and you have to write it 3 minus 5, 1, 1. Next element is plus because A13 even. 1 plus 3, 4 even. So 1 put and then you have to write the rows and the columns. The remaining element is 3, 1, 1, 1. 2 as it is. 1 into 1, 1. Already minus sign is there. You have to put minus and minus 5. Minus minus plus 3 minus of minus 5, 1. 3 minus 1, 2, 1 plus 5, 6, 3 plus 5, 8, 3 minus 1, 2, 1 plus 5, 6, 2, 6 are 12, 8 plus 2, 12 plus 10, 22 not equal to 0. So minor of order 3 which is not vanishes. Therefore rank of the matrix is 3. So rank is 3. We will go for next sum. Next we will go for the fourth sum. Find the rank of 3 by 3 matrix. Let A, given matrix, you have to write it. Let A is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4. Now you know that how we will find that order? That is, we have that 3 rows and 3 columns. So for R of the matrix is 3 by 3. We have to know that rank of A is minimum of this number. What is the minimum number? 3. Now we have to find the determinant value. You have to put the vertical line and write the matrix element as it is. How will write? First one is minus 1 plus. So minus 1 and leave this row and column. Remaining element you should write. Minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4. Next one is minus 2. You have to leave this row and column. Then what are the elements are remaining? 4, 4, minus 2, minus 4. Next one is minus 2 and then you have to leave this row. You have to leave this column and rows. The remaining is 4, minus 3, minus 2, 4. You know that minus 1. Both are negative, so 3 4s are 12. You have to put negative sign. 4 4s are 16 along with the negative sign. Minus 2, 4 into minus 4, minus 16. You have to put plus sign. 4 minus 2 plus 8. Then minus 2, 4 4s are 16. Then you have to put minus sign. Both are negative. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6. That's all. Minus 1, 12 minus 16, minus 4, minus 2, minus 16 plus 8, minus 8, minus 2, 16 minus 6, 10, plus 4, plus 16, minus 20, 16, 4 plus 16, 20, minus 20, 0. Therefore, here third order minor vanishes. Therefore, rank of A is not 3. When the determinant value is not equal to 0, then we have to put the rank 3. But here, third order minor is vanishes. So, we have to consider the minor of 2. We have to, first minor I took. What is that 2 by 2 order? Minus 1, 2, 4, minus 3. Plus 3, minus 8, minus 5 not equal to 0. In case, first also it becomes 0 means, we have to consider other minor. If it is all minors or vanishes, then only that rank will not be 2. But here, first minor itself, not 2 by 2 matrix, in the first minor is not vanishes, minus 5 not equal to 0. Therefore, rank is 2. That's all, my dear. We will go for next concept by echelon form. How we will do that echelon form? Now I am going to find the rank by echelon form. How will find echelon form and finding the rank of the matrix? Yeah, a matrix is of order m by n is said to be echelon form. Every row, if every row of A which has all its entries 0 occurs below every row which has a non-zero entries. For example, if the matrix is given, the first element must be 1, then second row first element must be 0, third row must 0, 0. First element 0, next element also 0. Like that, every row which has all its entry 0 occurs below every row which has a non-zero entry. While doing the sums, you can catch my points. Now, that next point is number of zeros before the first non-zero elements in a row is less than the number of such zeros in a next row. According to that, how we will find the rank by echelon form? I will teach the sum, 1 or 2 sums, then you will do it on your own. Find the rank of the matrix. We should give the name for the given matrix. Let A is equal to. Now, what is R of A is? We know that 3 rows and 4 columns. What is the minimum? Therefore, rank of A is minimum of these two numbers. What is the minimum value? 3. So, rank of A is less than or equal to 3. Now, we are doing that elementary operation. How we do the elementary operation means, here the first, we should, as it is first row, I am not disturbing. Here first element is 1, that's good for us. So, already is 1 is there. We have to make this below the 1, we have to make it as a 0. So, for that we are doing elementary operation. What are I doing? R2 is as it is I have written. That is 2, 4, 1 minus 2. I am multiplying that R1 is by 2. So, what will become? 2, 4 minus 2, 6. So, when we are subtracting, the sign will be changed. So, 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So, I did. So, what I did? R2 is nothing but R2 minus 2R1. This is called elementary operation. Multiplied by the scalar of first row and second row as it is, and subtracted, I got it. Again, we have to make that below this element we have to make it 0. For that, what I am doing? R3 is as it is 3, 6, 3 minus 7. And then you have to multiply this. R1 is 3. So, what is that? 3 minus 6, 3 minus 9. Again, I am subtracting. So, what I did the operation here? R3 is, what I operation did? R3 minus 3R1. R3 is nothing but R3 minus 3R1. So, I got it now. Now, we are making this. This one is 3 minus 8 here, 6 minus 16. So, multiples of, we can divide it by 2. Instead of that, what I am doing that, next step is R3, I am doing that, R3 I have written as in upper, multiplied R2 by 2, then I am subtracting. What we can get? all the elements are 0. This is echelon form. Echelon form means you have to see this. This is called a triangular form. This is called triangular form. 0, 0, 0. This is called echelon form. I got it here. While doing this calculation, all the elements are 0 here. Third row is vanished. So non-zero element is only 2 rows are non-zero rows. Therefore, that is the rank. How many non-zero rows? If it is 0, so it is eliminated. Only non-zero rows are 2. So therefore rank is 2. That's all. This is the easy for you. Or otherwise we can do it as with the first sum. You have to find the determinant values for 3 by 3 matrix for long. How many 3 by 3 matrix will come? 3 by 4 means you have to take 4 3 orders will come. Instead of that, this is easy for you. This is the echelon form. Echelon form means first row, below that first row, second row first element must be 0. Third row, first 2 element must be 0, 0. That is the echelon form. If you did 1 or 2 sums in next class, you will do it very easily. Do the sum, practice it.